Hi, Brian Bacco of MarineMax Clearwater here today with a video walkthrough of a pre-owned 2015 Scout 320 LXF. Light blue full hull color, absolutely gorgeous boat. Going through the reconditioning process now. We'll see the dive door down on the port side. We'll step around back and take a look. The boat cleaned up, absolutely fabulous. Has about 200 hours on twin 300 Yamahas. So we'll step aboard and take a look. Got the flexi teak on the swim platform and pass through. First we have the dive door with extendable ladder as well as a transom pass through as well. Very nice spacious cockpit. Again, dive door, in-floor fish boxes. Looking aft, we have our rear seating that folds out, stows away when you're ready to have some fun at the sandbar or fishing. Moving to the bait prep station, we have storage down below. Dry storage area, sink, nice live well integrated into the leaning post as well. This boat has new Fusion stereo equipment within the last year. Moving forward to the Helm, full 12-inch Garmin's. Autopilot, rudder position indicator, new Garmin VHF, Yamaha command link gauges, bow thruster as well. Very comfortable Helm seating with flip-up bolsters. Over on the port side, we'll see the entrance to the head. So tons of space. There's our dive ladder for the stern. Sink. Of course, we have the vacuum flush style head, distribution panel, electric switches, and a lot of room for storage down there as well forward. Moving up toward the bow of the boat, see a very spacious entertaining area, but still has plenty of fishability all the way forward. On the port side, we'll have our sink and storage area. Removable bow table. Up forward, we have additional Fusion speakers as well as an electric windless. Starboard side, we have the additional storage plus a Kenyon Grill. So we have that as well. Forward seating in front of the console. And moving down the starboard side, we'll have additional line and rod storage integrated into the console. Very nice feature. For more information on this boat or any others, please feel free to give me a call. Again, this is Brian Bacco at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 813-503-2649. Thanks for watching, and Happy New Year. Hope to see you soon.